Hey, it's Donna Brown with Virginia Cook and Associates, the voice of the desert, bringing value home to you. From the new listing I've been working on, I'm going to send a little video about it. For right now, I'm going to do the Rancho Mirage Real Estate Minute Market Report. This is the report for July based on June statistics. So here we go. There are 208 homes on the market, 48 are in escrow, and 49 have closed in the last 30 days. Average days in the market are 79. That's up 36% from this time last year. Average price per square foot is $480, and the average discount off asking price for single-family homes is 5%. So for attached homes that are condos and townhouses, there are 109 of those on the market, 19 are in escrow, and 21 have closed in the last 30 days, with the average days in the market being about 70. Price per square foot is $293 a square foot. Average discount off asking price is 5% again. For inventory, there are 6.8 months of inventory versus 6.0 months of inventory this time last year. So we have a little bit more inventory, but not a significantly huge amount. A lot of people think that nobody buys homes in the summer, but that is not true. In fact, statistically, the opposite is true. This is Donna Brown with Virginia Cook and Associates, the voice of the desert, bringing value home to you. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.
If you like this video, press like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye now.